morning, Internet. I am at a consultation in Brookline this morning, and I am probably like a minute late for it, but I wanted to get on here and say hello. How are you? I'm going to take you through my day, and we're going to chat about a few things. It'll be like an unconventional video because the video that I had planned for today is probably not going to be filmed because it is so cloudy today. The light is not helping me, so we're going to get to work and we're going to chat. This beautiful renovated condo here, and we've got this blank sort of closet space. So what we're thinking is it's going to be the space for like when clothes are going to dry right here, and some stick cleaning items like a small stick vacuum and like some other stuff here. I'm thinking also ironing and board and iron here, and there's also an outlet here for things that need to charge like the vacuum cleaner. So what I did is I went ahead and measured and then did a little drawing here, a little mock-up of what I think would be the right solution. We're gonna, this client has some alpha shelving stuff that I did previous a few years ago in her other space, which she's now moving out of. So we're gonna try and reuse some of that stuff. This is a little like drawer, alpha drawer unit that she already had, and maybe some of these shelves we can reuse, but I've got a sort of plan in mind, and I guess I will see what she thinks. Oh, and part of the hazards of these kinds of jobs is that you kneel in sawdust all the time and drywall and all that stuff. So I got cool like sawdusty jeans right now. It's a new style. It's gonna come out soon. You're gonna see it on like the runways. Check it out. White knee denim. Don't look at my shoes also. These are my like construction shoes, okay? No judging, no judging. Alright, so now I'm covered in sawdust and I am really hungry. I think instead of giving into my cravings, which are like, for some reason, chicken nuggets. And I don't even really like chicken. Like, I really don't like chicken, but there's something about chicken nuggets. I wanted to talk to you guys about the channel. It's not a big deal. It's actually maybe it's a big deal. So over the weekend, the channel reached 10,000 subscribers, which I never thought I'd be saying out loud in my life. I just want to thank all of you guys for subscribing to the channel, for all of your support, for leaving nice comments. So I just wanted to say thank you to you guys, and maybe that's all. And I don't know, I wanted to talk a little bit about, there's a lot of really messed up stuff going on in the world right now. I actually just, when I was on my way here, if you don't know, I am based here in Boston, Massachusetts, in the USA. I just, on my way to this consultation, I passed like a construction truck, and it had a Boston Strong sticker on it, and it just made me think about oh gosh, it was more than 3 years ago now. It was 5 years ago. It was 5 years ago? Wow. The incident that took place 5 years ago, I really can't talk about it here in too much detail because YouTube doesn't like it and they might demonetize this video. But I think about like all these things that are happening in the universe, and I managed to keep my brain on the glass half full rather than glass half empty. I know there's a lot of bad stuff going on. I know it's tough out there. I get it. I get it. There's a lot of stuff going on. But if you choose optimism over pessimism, more often than not, you're going to be much happier. Just to actually choose optimism, choose laughter, choose, laughing at yourself. I think that's the best thing you can actually do is laugh at yourself. Like, if I fall down, or, well, it's not funny anymore if you fall down. If you're like over 40 or over a certain age, if you fall down, it's like serious. I don't know. I don't know what I'm even saying. I just want to say that choosing optimism is one of the more powerful things you can do to improve your life and improve everybody around you's life. And I know it's hard to choose optimism if you have, certain things going on in your life, if you have depression, if circumstances are really hard. But if you choose optimism in just one way every day, you can really turn your life around. I get a lot of comments about how I seem positive and upbeat. And I'm surprised by that. I'm surprised that it's not the norm, that it's not more common, because what you see on camera is about 85% of what is really going on in my life and what is really happening and how I really am. I do have bad days. I do get mad. I do get sad. I do get like cynical. But I just think choosing optimism is one of the more powerful things you can do, especially in 2018 when so many people are choosing pessimism and choosing negativity. All you have to do is make a choice. All you have to do is make a choice. No matter what sort of spiritual path you're on, or what sort of philosophical path you're on, if you're not religious, it's really about choosing optimism. I believe that makes the biggest difference in the quality of your life. And just being thankful for what you have. I'm thankful for you guys. You guys make me so happy. I'm thankful for like amazing family. And even though I live in a place with the worst winters ever, I'm grateful to live in such a pretty place. I've been complaining a lot about how I hate winter. What is that all about? I'm just really not. Winter bums me out. See, there I am. I'm not like 100% positive all the time. Winter does totally bum me out. But I don't know what I'm saying. I'm going to stop here and just say I love you all, and thank you so much for your support over the past, I think, 9 months. I've been like sort of uploading regularly. So I'm going to be hopefully filming more tomorrow, because hopefully maybe the sun will come out, because natural light is the prettiest light. I'm rambling. I love you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.